Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I've run into some pretty difficult jobs that needed a lot of elbow grease. And that's what this Scotch-Brite scrub brush has done for me. Now, there are so many different reasons why you would need a good scrub brush. In the kitchen, in the bathroom, outside, and really anywhere inside the house that needs a good scrubbing. I love the typical scrub bristles on the side, but then on the other side, right on the edge, you have a more abrasive, strong scrub. I like how slender and slim it is, so it can fit into a lot of different cups or tight space items. I think it's really good. The handle has a nice silicone topping on where your hand goes with a part that jets up a little bit for your thumb, because when you're really getting into scrubbing something, it's not good for your thumb or your hand to be slipping and then possibly hurting yourself in the process. It's a great, well-designed handle that really helps you get the job done. It has a nice little eyelet at the end of the handle, so you can hang it on a hook, a nail, or even one of those broom hanger mounts. It is such a great option if you're into cleaning. This is definitely going to be your best friend. You should have it in your cleaning apron or whatever you use to get the job done. And that's my point of view.